Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, class. Hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay.
Afternoon.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm
I'm fine. Okay, Risma, too. Are you okay today?
Yes, I'm okay today.
Okay, good. Nina, are you okay today?
I'm okay.
Okay. Pakai baju olahraga nih hari Jumat. Saya juga pakai baju olahraga ini. Okay. Okay, class. Before we begin our lesson today, it is better for us to pray first. I just want you to help me to lead your friend to pray. Michi, can you help me to lead your friend to pray? Come on, Michi. Sudah bisa dilihat sharing material saya?
Sudah.
Sudah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, let's begin now. Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. Today, thank you so much that you want to join with my class. I'm sure it is very hot today karena saya yakin siang ya panasnya minta ampun. But we should absolutely we should have a good motivation to follow anything that have a good or positive things gitu ya. And then I just want to remind you, kalau kemarin ada 3M, sekarang ini ada 5M. I just want to remind you, the first is usually use your marks if you want to go outside, and then wash your hand every time after and before you do some activities, and then just keep a distancing with someone. And then avoiding a crowded place, okay, menghindari kerumunan. And then yang tambahan berikutnya adalah membatasi mobilitas atau interaksi mobilitas ya. Sekarang ada 5M. Jadi yang perlu diperhatikan adalah itu. And then next, I just want to remind you yang belum ngisi absen, silahkan diisi absennya. Linknya sudah saya berikan di sini. And then next, berikutnya adalah, ini kan hari Jumat ya. Mari kita olahraga. Oke? I just want to make an evidence. Please prove to me that you did an exercise ya. Tolong berikan saya bukti, nanti dikirim ke saya foto Anda lagi senam dengan menggunakan video ini. Oke, bisa minta tolong saudara yang ada di rumah untuk bikin short video untuk senam ini, dikirim ke via WA group. Oke, kita mulai. Saya mau mengingatkan, I just want to remind you that if you join with this class, please be active. Oke, silakan aktif, itu yang pertama. And then yang kedua, please open your camera and then keep your mic unmute. Yang akan kita pelajari hari ini namanya adalah biography text ya. Biography text ini sudah kelihatan sharing saya? Sudah ya?
Sudah, Bu.
Oke. Biografi teks itu apa sih? Nah, nanti kita akan belajar itu biografi teks. But before that, sebelumnya, I just want to remind you that today we learn about the basic competence. The word is to analyze about the social function, generic structure, and language feature about biography text. And then about the skill, you might to construct the biography text, whether it is on speaking or writing. It just to know about it just to use about the generic structure and then language feature of biography text. That's the basic competence. And then this is the achievement Indikator pencapaian kompetensinya ini ada 4. Saya langsung ke tujuan pembelajaran kali ini, oke? The goal of the teaching learning goals today is the first is to track the information or positive things about video or text or biography text. And then the second is to find the main idea of the biography text. The second is to write about the main idea of biography text. It is such kind of table. And then the next is to represent what is your idea about the main idea of the biography text. I just want to remind you that I just already shared the material to you on the themes. So I hope that you already read it. Are you ready to read this material?
Sudah, Bu.
I just want to read this an article. Saya pengen Anda baca artikel ini. We have a problem today from this article. Okay, bisa minta tolong Fania. Silakan dibaca, Fania, monggo.
Problem else. We're in the middle of a crisis. Our nation has 179 national heroes.
Okay.
The actual number is more than sufficient.
Sufficient. Yeah, okay, thank you, Fania. Good job. Well, the problem is, you know that Indonesia have over about 179 national hero. Jadi Indonesia punya 179 pahlawan nasional. Permasalahannya adalah ada krisis of heroic. Jadi kita mengalami krisis kepahlawanan. Dibuktikan dari apa? Ini tadi, loss of power. Jadi pemerintah semakin memperluas power dia, kemudian ada banyak orang-orang yang greed seperti itu. So from the heroes that we have today, dari pahlawan yang sudah kita punya sekian ini, ada nggak sih nilai-nilai positif yang kita ambil? Bisa nggak? Dari Murtini, can you answer me? Kira-kira dari sumber apa? Yes, the answer is we should read biography. Okay, good. Biography adalah jawabannya. Aha, saya punya lagu nih. I have a song. You want to listen a song today?
Oh.
Silakan diamati nilai apa yang bisa kita ambil ya. Oke, sudah deh. Nanti ngantuk kamu tidur ya. Okay, you all ready to listen this song? Okay, this song is from Mariah Carey. If you want to know the complete song, please just visit my channel. Di situ sudah ada di channel saya. About hero ya. Ini sudah kita ganti clipsnya. Jadi tell me what is the positive thing from this video. Kira-kira positive thing dari video ini apa? Ada volunteer yang mau menjawab? Positive things? Can a student be a hero? Bisakah siswa menjadi hero?
Bisa.
Dari mana Anda sekarang jadi a hero? You are a hero today because what? Because on this situation you do your activity. Bisa nggak orang tua kita jadi hero?
Bisa.
What is the point of this song? Point is this song is
Semua orang
can be.
menjadi pahlawan.
yes, that's right. Everyone can be a hero because we know study about the biography text. I just want to continue. This is about the biography text. Oke, kita lanjutkan biography textnya. Ada yang kenal ini siapa? Foto siapa ini?
Bapak Presiden.
Bapak Presiden
Joko Widodo.
I have this video of the short biography of Mr. Joko Widodo. Okay? Ada beberapa nanti yang akan harus Anda lakukan. Anda amati dulu apa yang ada di dalam video. What is in this biography video biography of Mr. Joko Widodo? Okay. Okay, I think it's not about Mr. Jokowi. Okay, let's now discuss together. Okay, mari kita diskusikan bersama. Okay, anyone who can answer this question for number 1? Who is being talked about the video?
Mr. Joko Widodo, Indonesian President.
Sure. Next, number 2. Why does his person become inspiring or famous person? Kenapa ini dia menjadi inspiring person? Siapa? Okay, Rismatul. Okay.
Because of his achievement and his inspiring life and his popular jargon.
Okay, popular jargonnya apa ya? Because of, apa? Ada yang bisa bantu?
Kerja
Bu.
kerja keras seperti itu. Oke, next. Berikutnya. Oke, I just want to remind you what is a biography text.
Saya Bu.
Oke, monggo. Yang poin kedua aja ya. Biar it means that not he by himself just write the biography, bukan dia sendiri yang menuliskan biografi, but the other person. This is about the social function. Kira-kira apa sih manfaat dari biografi? Apa sudah paham social function dari biografi teks? Ini adalah one single subject. Okay, the next characteristic is just written by someone else. And the next is describe about that people life, okay, that person's life, ya, mendeskripsikan kehidupan orang itu, and then based on the fact, because why? Because this is non-fiction text, okay, and then it's about a life experience, ya, life experience. Okay. Itu di sini ada perbedaan. This is the differences between autobiography. Autobiography is a biography text that written by the. Okay, from that video, I already break down this video on a text that you to several of groups. Saya pengen membagi Anda ke beberapa kelompok. This is content of 3 groups. Okay, we begin from Nina, Widya, Esa, Nurul, and then Venia, Rismatul, and Dinda join on the first. Oke, kelompok 2, good job. Ini sudah ada mulai yang orientasi. Orientasinya ini. Nina Soli berkomentar, nice. The first group, who is the persons? Dinda.
Mr. Joko Widodo.
Tanggal lahirnya kapan?
He was born Juni 21.
Di paragraf pertama.
Okay, good job from the second group. No, we continue to the third group. Nanti akan saya berikan penguatan setelah ini. Oh, you agree about that? Setuju tentang hal itu? Ada poin-poin yang ada di biografi? Ada yang tidak setuju? The general structure of the biography text consists of, the first is, what it we call? Disebut apa? Orientation.
This main idea is also the basic idea of a developing.
I just want to remind you, saya ingin mengingatkan di LKPD Anda ada satu teks yaitu tentang Bapak Muhammad Hatta. Silahkan nanti dikerjakan dan dikirim ke channel penugasi. Kaitannya dengan biografi teks, Anda bisa berkunjung ke channel ini. Oke, mari kita lakukan refleksi sebelum kita tutup kegiatan kali ini. Ada yang mau menyampaikan gagasan pokok atau refleksi? Puji Lestari mungkin?
Karakteristik yang khusus dari teks biografi itu meliputi spesifik partisipan, mengenai mulai dari childhood atau masa kanak-kanaknya, educational background atau background-nya dari pendidikan, lalu experience atau pengalaman, atau pencapaian yang telah dicapai.
Oke. Sudah?
Background dan moral value.
Oke, kita lakukan refleksi yang generic structure. Siapa?
Orientation.
Orientation. The second?
Yang kedua itu
Okay, well done everybody. You have the reflection for today. Sebelum saya tutup, ada pertanyaan? Apakah ada pertanyaan?
Ada, Bu.
Tidak ada. Oke, give applause to us. Oke, I just want to remind you, silakan dikerjakan formatif tesnya. Saya tunggu absen di link tadi, jangan lupa ya. Nanti Anda akan punya yang namanya tugas formatif teks. Ya, oke, kita tutup dengan doa. Marsanda bisa bantu saya untuk memimpin doa menutup?
Sebelum mengakhiri kegiatan.
Oke, thank you Marsanda. Well guys, keep healthy, stay safe ya. Jangan kemana-mana, patuhi 5M tadi yang sudah kita obrolin. Saya stop sharing dulu ini. Oke, semuanya hidupkan kamera. Saya mau screenshot biar dia kelihatan semua hari ini. Thank you for today. Thank you, Memula. Thank you, Bapak Kusim. If you want to give us give me suggestion, maybe after this meeting. Oke, class. Terima kasih banyak. Thanks a lot. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.